Today we are going to see about Sitecore Standard values. This is Sadish Kumar from SK Tech YouTube channel. Before I am going to the topic, I am reiterating once again, please subscribe the channel. Then only whatever the video I am posting will reach you automatically. Let us into the topic. If you like this video, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Let us into the topic. So, Sitecore Standard value is nothing but it will help us to add a default values for the item based on in the template level. So we can add default value, fallback values to the item from the template level. Okay, and also we can add a presentation, fallback presentation. That is, we can add presentation level using in the standard value itself, so that it will avoid the rework required for adding the presentation details for each new item is created. So in the standard value level, if we add the presentation details, no need to add in the item level. It automatically comes. Okay. Let us see a demo. So I will show you a demo how the normal behavior work, and with using standard value, how can we achieve the same thing with some additional feature. Okay. Let us into the demo. Today we are going to see about Sitecore Standard values. Sitecore Standard values is a wonderful feature where we can provide a fallback value for the item. So normally what happens is when you create a template, you can provide the default values. So whenever the new item created for the template, it has some default value. So item will not break, it will not show it will not show error during null. So it will have some values. I will show you demo how to create a temple and add a standard values to it, and adding a presentation to the standard value, and as well adding a standard tokens. Okay, in this video. Okay, I'm going to create a template. 1 minute. It's my certified folder. I'm inserting a folder here. I'm naming it as test folder. So inside the test folder, I'm creating a new template. Let it be named as standard test, standard value test. Okay. Selected the source destination folders. Now the template is created. You want to inherit from other templates, similarly you can go here, you can do it here. Okay, so options available, or else you can use the builder to add your own fields here, or you can view the inherited, whichever what are the templates inherited. Here you can view this menu. It will give you what are the templates inherited in this standard template. So I'm going to add a section that is standard value demo. So I'm giving name, title name, single line, and description, and it as single line. Okay, this two field I have created is saving the template. So I have this item, everything. Okay, now I am publishing this template. So I'm the publishing options. I will show you the normal video what happens when we create without standard value and when we create with standard value. Okay, let it be. Okay, publishing is done. Then I'm going to the content folder. I'm creating a new folder here. Okay, maybe standard here I'm creating an item. Previously I created a template, I am using that, I am creating it. Okay, so now it's prompting the template option. I need to select the template. Then some name, that is test item. I'm selecting the template here. So now the item is created. See, this is a normal item where you don't have any default values. It's a normal item. And if you go to the presentation details, you don't have any layout here. You need to manually add the layout here. Okay. So if I wanted to add some values, I need to provide the values here, like description, okay, and save it. Similarly, if I want to add a presentation, okay, I need to add it here. For example, I will add that sample layout here. Okay, sample layout, controls, add sample sub layout. Layout. Okay. And add rendering, that is sample rendering. Let it be okay. So I saved it. So I want to know the placeholder. So I'm just first I'm just checking the previous sample value. So I bear with me. I don't know the placeholder on that. The placeholder it is. Okay. The placeholder, I'll copy it from here. So it's a test item. Presentation details. We go to final layout. I'm providing the placeholder details here. In a sub layout, I'm providing the placeholder details. And the sample rendering also, I'm providing the placeholder details. Okay. This is one way of achieving making the item to be browsable. So now the item is ready, and we can even browse it. It will load successfully. So when you want to preview it, I'm just previewing this item. So now it's able to preview. Okay, this is display. So if you want to, I'm again publishing it. So I think it's updated. Okay, then what I do is I'm going here. See. And standard. We can put home standard test item. Okay, sorry. So let me just standard test item. So it is able to be. So I'm removing this content Sitecore as well. I'm able to view here the particular item. The same operation can be done using standard values. The one advantage is if you create again another template using the same template, it will not have that original value. For an example, I am creating this template maybe, but the value you will not have the default values, and the presentation also it will be empty only, so nothing is there. So using standard values, I will show you how we can do this, how the default values, default presentation we can assign. Okay, Let us go to the template. Here, this is my template, standard template. So I'm going this builder option, standard values. I'm inserting a standard values here, these items. Standard values inserted. This is standard values. So first I'm giving a fallback value. Maybe I'm using the token, Sitecore default token name, dollar name. And this is maybe dollar now. We're printing the time. Okay. First I have given a default values. So the name, it will take the item name. This is current time it will print. Okay. These two I have given. And the presentation of this items, okay, standard item, sorry, standard values, right? Demo. Okay, okay. Presentation of the standard values. I'm adding the rendering. Okay, what are the renderings available? So first I'm adding the layout, that is sample layout. Similarly, I'm adding the rendering as well. This is sub layout, adding this editing main, okay, and I'm adding sub layer slash main slash enter. Okay, I'm adding another rendering, that is rendering, not sub layout. I'm adding sample rendering. Okay, that is main slash enter slash content. Okay, let me check whether I have added a correct value. 1 minute. Let me print and check. Oh, this is different. Okay. Okay, added. Anyway, I'm saving this. So I'm checking here. Okay, there's details, but I added correct rendering. Oh, center column. Okay. Just copy this. Okay. Let me 1 minute. Yeah. So now I have providing here the column. Okay. Similarly rendering and updating correct placeholder values. So I had the presentation. So in the standard value I have given this token, this $2 name dollar now, and presentation details I have added the rendering which is required for this item. Now see, I'm going to publish in this. So let me publish it. Okay, publishing done. Then I'm going to create item using this item. Okay, creating new item. New data value test. Insert. Now the new standard values item inserted. See the item name in the title field and a date name. The date time, current time is coming in this format. It's automatically coming. And if you go to the presentation details, you will see final layout. You will see the layout automatically added to this item. If I publish this, let me publish this item. Okay, publishing it. Okay, one item created. Let me preview it. Okay, I'm just previewing here. So now the item is loading. So if I create another item using the same template, the same behavior will be there. Okay, I'm using another item. This is new item. Let me name it as new item. See, the title field has values and description has the timestamp details. I'm saving it, and if I go to the presentation details, you see the layout here. So automatically added, automatically coming. No need to add it again. So I am publishing this item. Let me publish it. Publishing done. So I'm going to preview it. See, it's loading. This is a simple demo of how to use standard values in template. Sitecore Standard is a advisable standard. Is use a standard value for for template level. So add a presentation in the template level. That is the Sitecore suggestion. So you no need to add in another item when you're creating newly. So it will try to avoid the work required for adding the presentation details, and fallback values will help you to avoid error like a page not found error or null value error. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Then only whatever the video I am posting will reach you automatically. This is Sadish Kumar signing off. Good luck guys. Bye bye.